Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to Pandas session. Today's topic is Pandas reindexing. Reindexing changes the rows labels and column labels and columns of a data frame. To reindex means to conform the data to match a given set of labels along a particular axis. Multiple operations can be accomplished through indexing, like reorder the existing data to match a new set of labels. Insert missing values markers in label locations where no data for the label existed. Let's try this in an example. Let's open the Jupyter notebook and we'll perform the operations. Reindex. First, we'll import pandas and numpy. Now here I'll assign n is equal to 20, and here df is equal to pd dot data frame of of first I'll take a as pd dot date underscore range. Start is equal to 2020 dash 01 dash 01, and periods is equal to n, frequency is equal to d. At the end comma, and next we'll take as x of np dot linspace 0 comma stop is equal to n minus 1 comma num is equal to n, and comma again, and we'll have another one y is defined as np dot random dot rand of n comma c of np dot random dot choice low comma medium comma high comma n dot to list with comma, and finally we'll take d of np dot random dot normal 100 comma 10 comma size is equal to n dot to list. Right, now we'll reindex the data frame. Df of reindexed equal to df dot reindex. Index equal to 0 comma 2 comma 5, and columns is equal to a comma b comma c. We'll take it in different way. I'll take c here, I'll take b here. Now we'll print df underscore reindexed. Let's execute this code and see. Oh, we have an error once vn is not defined. So what we have here, capital N. So it should be a capital N. Execute the code. Now see what we have. V starting period is 0101. So it says 3 and 6. The reason why 3 and 6 is step is 2. So we have this is result what we have it here. So we have high, high, low, and if you don't have anything, we have NA. Now reindex to align with other objects. You may wish to take an object and reindex its axis to be labeled the same as another object. Let's try this code in a Jupyter notebook. Right, let's import numpy as np, import pandas as pd. df1 is equal to df1 dot index underscore light. Now df2. Now this df1 is equal to df dot data frame of np dot random dot rand n 10 comma 3 comma columns is equal to col1 comma col2 comma col3. Now next let's find df2 equal to pd. Sorry, it should be pd pd dot data frame of np dot random dot rank n 7 comma 3 of columns is equal to, I'll take this as a floor brackets. In here I'll take col1 comma col2 comma col3. Now df1 is equal to df1 dot index underscore like of df2. Now print df1. What do we have here? So we have assigned col1, col1, col2, col3. So in here we have the result. Here the df1 data frame is altered and reindexed like df2. Data 1 is altered and reindexed like data 2. So we have given the data index as 10 to 3 and we have the reindex as 7 to 3. The column names should be match or else NaN will be added for the entire column labels. So the column names has been matched. So if I change the column names to 3 and 2, let's see what will be the result. Right. Filling while reindexing. Reindex takes an optional parameter method which is filling method with values as pad. So we have a pad, a fill. It fills forward. P A D fill, fill values forward. And second we have refill. back fill. It fills values backward. And third one is nearest. It fills from the nearest index values. Let's check out this in our Jupyter notebook. All right, let's copy the previous example, first four line of code, and do the slide changes. I'll change this to 6 and change it to 2 and 3. Rest I'll keep it as it is. And now here I'll change this to 2 and change this to 3. Adding NaN, print df2 dot index underscore like of df1. Now fill the NaN with preceding values. So print data frame with forward fill. So we need to fill the data df2 dot reindex underscore like of df1 comma method will be ffill. Let's check this out. So we have an error. Where we have this error, the line df2 not defined, line number 8, it should be small d. Let's execute this. Note, last 4 rows are padded. Let's check this out. We have another error here. What is the error? Index must be monotonic, increasing or decreasing. Print df2 reindex underscore like df1 method is equal to ffill. df2 reindex underscore like. Let's execute this and see what we have here. Now it's fixed. So we can check this out. Last 4 rows are padded. Last 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are padded here. But here, the original one, we have last 4 rows are not padded. You can see it. This is data frame with forward filling. Limits on filling. Next topic is limits on filling while reindexing. The limit argument provides additional control over filling while reindexing. Limit specifies the maximum count of consecutive matches. Let's check out with an example. So from our previous example, we'll copy the few lines of code till here and we'll paste it here. Next, we have printed. Let's print of nothing. Now fill the NaN with preceding values. Let's print data frame with forward fill limiting to 1. Now print df2 dot index underscore like df1 comma method is equal to ffill comma we need limit is equal to 1. Let's execute this. So we have a limit is equal to 1. So the limit is 1. So we have 1 till first value here. So we have second, that is limit. If we change that limit to some other thing, it will be in a different way, right? Next, renaming. The rename method allows you to relabel an axis based on some mapping, a dictionary or series or any arbitrary function. Let's use the rename method in an example. Alright, let's import Pandas as PD, import numpy as np, and we define df1 is equal to pd dot data frame of np dot random dot rand n. We need 6, 3, comma columns is equal to col1, col2, and col3. Let's print df1 and print slash n. Now, what do we need? After renaming the rows and columns, print df1 dot rename columns is equal to col1 of, so I want to rename col1 to c1 and comma col2 to c2. And next, what I do is index is equal to 0 is apple, comma first index I want that to be banana, and second index durian. Let's execute this and see what we have the result. So we have the normal one here, column 1, column 2, and column 3. I have changed column 1 to C1 and column 2 to C2, and the first and second indexes and third index I have changed it. Rest is same. The rename method provides an in-place named parameter which by default is false and copies an underlying data. Pass in place is equal to true to rename the data in place. So we need to pass in place is equal to true to rename the data. This is the end of this session. So hope you guys enjoyed my session and hope you understood the concepts what we have discussed today. If you have any issues, any doubts, feel free to contact me. Till then, you take care, guys. I'll join you in next session. Bye bye.